Okay. So, yeah, it may look a little awkward and different, but that's partially because I'm on my old system. Anyway, I was playing just for fun, whatever. My buddies got me to get this game called Risk of Rain 2 a while ago. And I don't know if any of you guys actually know what this game is. I haven't seen anybody else like playing it, but they told me to get it because it's a roguelike game. You run around, you kill shit, etc. But this is the monstrosity that I am right now. I massacre everything I fight in this game, because there's a lot of weak enemies, is now a super death elite. Look at that. There's two bosses right there sitting on top of each other, just because I exist. And I'm massacring them. Something turns all these guys invisible. That's what this green is. So everything in that circle is invisible because of these green dudes. This is the insanity of what I have become. I don't even know if there's anything dangerous in there. Because at this level, at this point, they start sending out enemies that can kill you instantly. But yeah, just keeping track of this, I can already tell, is just a strain on anyone who has no idea what exactly is going on. Like, this is ridiculous. And I love it. They're like, go ahead, break the game. Try it. And then they gave you all the tools to do so. Oh wow, that one's still alive. That one's actually really tough. But yeah, I'm trying to avoid these big old green circles because something's in there that can kill me instantly or prevent my abilities. It's dangerous. For me. Mostly me. Really just all me. So yeah, in this game you get a bunch of little items that like boost you. And every like character has their own abilities. Ah shit. Stop turning things invisible here. I heard it. So yeah, these invisible dudes are a huge problem. They can get really deadly even though they're not strong creatures. Because they will hide strong creatures. Anyway, let's open this thing. Which plops out 100 items that make me even stronger. When they tell you to break the game, they fucking mean break the game. Jesus hell. See ya! And just like that, I'm gone. This is just how I am now. And now I attack even faster, get another robot, and for the sake of argument, attack even faster. Not even attacking, I'm just opening boxes. And it attacks for me. I'm just gaining money. Hey look, another boss. This one's going to kamikaze real quick. See, I'm not even fighting right now, and I'm still murdering. Hey, look. This is ridiculous, and I love it. You can't see it. Well, you could at the first couple seconds, but my face was in the way. I've been playing this level, particularly, for 100 some odd minutes. This game gets harder the longer you play it, if any of you guys don't know what this game is. But it also gives you the ability to become ridiculous. I think I already went up here. That's okay. See what I mean? I don't know what's going on over there, but something's happening. And I ain't doing anything about it. Almost ran off the cliff. Yeah, where's the portal that lets me leave here? I don't even think I'm actually going to try to, like, complete the final boss. Because the final boss takes all of your items and then uses them to beat you to death. And, hey, look. Ah, I tapped out the shrine. Alright. Where's the portal? One of the reasons why I'm playing the Huntress, even though the Huntress doesn't really give you, like, the best unique abilities, because one of the Huntress's things is that she's one of the few who can sprint and attack at the same time, which to most doesn't mean a lot. Oh, there's the portal. Especially when, you know, when you're this fast and you can't really aim worth a damn anyway. Anyway, let me show you what I can do to, like, the actual bosses, the ones that come with the names. Ah, hey, Beetle Queen, perfect. Oh, they even made the bosses elites. Anyway, they're dead now. They're dead now. I'm at the point where mini bosses are actually harder than bosses. Oh, man. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ta-da! Oh, it's not done yet. It's only like 50% complete. So yeah, this is how ridiculous you can just become for the sake of becoming ridiculous. Hey, look, another mini-boss. Yeah, right now, even though my character uses a bow, you can't fucking see the bow over all my shit. It's like that fucking movie, Million Ways to Die in the West. Just people fucking die around me. And I have all these little drones that, I'll be honest, do, in comparison to me, nothing. I'm not even the character that does drones. I just have them because I can have them. Oh, hey, look, another loot spawner. Mark for death him. See, when he's not surrounded by 500 other bosses, really easy. Uh-oh. There's an invisible dude. Hopefully, when I kill all these invisible dudes, I'll show you the dudes that kill you instantly, so I can show you why I'm avoiding the invisibility spheres. And the worst part is, I'm actually just in, like, the standard mode. I mean, don't get me wrong, as you see in the little circle, I have a little green face next to my face. Which means I'm actually in, like, the equivalent of easy mode. But at the same point, I think I can take this guy into hard mode. I was just trying to unlock, the artifacts allows you to, like, pretty much their in-game, I don't want to call them mods, but they changed the game a lot. So, and some of the ways to unlock like new abilities and attacks requires either a lot of patience and time or these mods. It just makes life a hell of a lot easier. Like for one of the guys, the bandit, you need to cut somebody with your machete with 20 of the same item. Yeah. I have halfway there. I have 11 crowbars. See, right there. Right between the meat and the fireworks. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th from the top bar left. Get me some more bullets, which does more damage to bosses. Yeah, so this is life for me now. I can just do these things and kill everything. And bosses spawn randomly. Alright, let's find more things to open and become more ridiculously powerful. Like that guy. I opened a box, and me opening said box had murdered him. This is the amount of ridiculous this game can get, and I love it. Ow. Let's stun. These guys hit me. I've done very little to fight back, and they have died. So yeah, the amount of ridiculous. I'm going to show off this for a little while, because I don't think I'm ever going to get this good of a setup again. Especially on a standard mode. Just shit ain't happening again, Chief. Actually, it might, but not to the point that I have, you know, like 3 different red items. I think I have 2 different yellow items. Yellow items are boss items. They're the items the bosses uses against you. I know what you're thinking. Smiles, if you played this instead of horror games, you might actually, you know, become popular, because, you know, you'd be good at something. And to that I have to say, get up. I think I might have gotten all the boxes. Oh yeah, and I just move so fast I can accidentally ramp. That's just a thing I can do. See? Oop, here's another thing. Also, teddy bears are amazing. Yeah, I know, right? The guy who plays horror on the tube likes the teddy bears. But actually, no, in this game, teddy bears are stupidly overpowered for no reason. One teddy bear will just occasionally, like, prevent damage. No ands, buts, or ifs. They're just like, nah, fuck that. You didn't get hurt. Quickly getting hundreds of thousands of dollars, which is ridiculous. God, I love this game. Hey, look, another crowbar. Where the heck is the teleporter? Oh. Did I run past it like 3 times? Alright, what am I getting? The clay pots? Nope. Alright, killed the bosses. There's also certain ways to like unlock what bosses drop during the teleporter events. I just have know what they are. Like at all. So yeah, Risk of Rain. Love this game. If I come across a Celestial Portal, I think I'll end it there because I'm just going to go and Obliterate and get the next Huntress skin. And if I'm feeling extra uppity, I'll show you that too. But I'll be honest, I'm not on my main system right now, so I really don't know how long I can record. Which is also worrisome because I don't even know how much of this is going to survive. I know that's a weird concern to be having, but Smiles, you're supposed to be a professional tube-ubers. Get up. I felt like bragging, and I wanted to show this off. No Celestial Portal. Damn. Now that I want one, because I've done like 3 Celestial Portals already. And there's not really a whole lot to it. You just kind of, well, teleport to a specific spot. See, look at that. That's another boss that you're supposed to fight for, like, the teleporter events, you know, where I'm sitting there in that circle waiting for my portal to charge. I had just murdered him. And a bunch of other things, because I don't know where I got $20,000. Anyway, let's get more bullets. See what I mean? I got frozen, had no idea. Just, things die. Hey look, another boss. Hey guys, look at these bosses. They just spawn everywhere. I haven't even used my Q ability yet, but essentially what that does for me is it makes it so all the healing I receive is doubled, I think. But I currently heal from hitting things, and from being hit, and from shooting, and from lighting things on fire, and from making them bleed. If I have to use Q, I'm fucking up. But it's always good to have a backup. Oh, invisible circles. Something's in there. Another invisible circle. I'll take the pendant. Later. I do love this map, but I also hate this map so much. You're not getting my leech. Mostly because it's a very big map that requires a lot of jumping. And yes, I have a lot of jumpings, but and then there's this one. This one spawns wisps, these little fire heads. Another boss I'm supposed to be fighting during the teleporter charging. Another boss. Decent chance if it's ridiculously big, it's a boss. There it is. Ah, man. Alright, let's start this one. I think I killed them. I don't know what I killed them with, but I think I killed them. Yeah, see, all these little blue dots rushing into me from God only knows where, and I have no fucking clue from where. They're just kind of coming inside of me. Giggity. I don't know what's happening for most of that. I just know I am here, so I must kill. Also, one of the things to like kind of prevent you from like running away from the teleporter and, you know, just like avoiding all the enemies is well, one, if I leave the red circle, the teleporter doesn't charge. And to be sure that's a problem for you, none of the boxes outside of the red circle can be activated. Hence why there's that red stuff over here. See? Can't do it, Chief. So, I mean, all that death over there, I had nothing to do with it, but it happened. You know what caused all that death over there? I walked over here. Oh my god, you can listen to my little feet prattle too. Running your laps, you know. You know how it is, guys. Oh, is that a celestial portal? It is. Alright, guys. We're already done. I got to show off and brag, and I'm about to be obliterated. I'm about to get my ass whooped. I would try to take this guy against the final boss, but I get my ass whooped by him too. Where's the direction I need to go? This way. Hit. See what I mean? I was supposed to take fall damage there, but the teddy bear blocked it. Because the teddy bear felt like it. Oh, too fast. Alright, time to obliterate myself. Hopefully this gets me my my next Huntress skin. And... oh, am I sure? Yeah, do it. End it. End it, buddy. Alrighty, look at all these items. And then, oh, I guess it tells you here. This is convenient. Anyway, this is what crowbars do. Seems very ineffective, but if I have a bunch of these, I just one-shot instantly. Time alive. Almost an hour and a half. I don't think you guys were even here for like 20 minutes of it. Kills over 2,000. Minion kills, apparently 57 now. Damage, 28 million. Minion damage dealt, yep. Wait, I think my minion kills are my drones. Anyway, so yeah, I went through and I got 3 artifacts for this. Just a ridiculous amount of stuff. And, did I obliterated. Does that not count to give me my Huntress? Nope, it didn't. But now I have all these artifacts I can play the game with again. Anyway, this is Risk of Rain 2. I'm now going to have to figure out how to put this through my editor and then put this on YouTube from a whole different computer. That's a me issue. I want to show off and brag. I suggest you guys get it because the beginning is... it starts off a little slow like most roguelikes, but it is well worth it. Man, I have fun. Also, they've put a lot of updates, so in case you guys like bought it when it first came out and have, you know, stopped playing it since, a lot of things have changed. It's really good. Anyway, this was Smiles. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. I don't care. I still gotta say fuck whenever I want. Later!